Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be making a short um how to cook noodles with a kettle. So these tips is preferable for people who are in private universities and are not allowed to cook inside the hostel with with a gas or whatever cooking appliances you want to use, or people who are at home and you don't have access to gas because when the gas ran out or something like that. You can actually use this method to cook your noodles. So for this video, I'll be using noodles and golden penny indomie. I'm using two because two is the most satisfactory for me, and this is the amount of water I normally use for two noodles. I don't know if you can see, but this is the amount of water. It usually stops here. So I've with over time I've realized that this amount of water is best for this indomie, and this is my pepper. I won't be putting much ingredients, just indomie and pepper and then all that. So follow me as I cook my indomie. So first off, I put the water inside the kettle. I pour all of it inside the kettle. Then next I put the amount of pepper I want to use for the indomie inside the kettle. So you can watch while I do it. So I'm putting it inside the kettle. Then I mix it. So at this point, I put the ingredients of the indomie inside the kettle. I'm using my left hand, my right hand to hold the phone. I'm using my left hand to do all the cooking, all the spicing. So please, pardon me if you can see my hand. Yeah, so that's how it is now. And I will mix it. So now that I've put all the ingredients inside the kettle, it's time for me to put it on the burner for to boil. I then leave it to boil for like 3 minutes. Then I will put in the indomie itself inside. So right now it's on the burner. And you can hear it boiling, but it's already boiling. I'll come back for the next 3 minutes to watch it to show you that it's boiling. So stay with me. So as you can see, the indomie is boiling. Just open it. So at this point, I remove the kettle from the burner to let the water cool down. So the purpose of letting it cool down is for me to put the indomie inside the boiling ingredients, so that it can boil all together. Okay, so right now the ingredient is cool enough for me to put the indomie inside. Like I said, I'm using my left and my right hand to hold the camera, so I'm using my left hand for every other thing. This is it. And as usual, I'll take my spoon and mix it. You can choose not to break your indomie like how I did mine, but the person I'm cooking my indomie for wants it broken. Most times I don't break mine, I just break it into two so it can enter inside the noodle, the kettle. Yeah. So I put it back, I close it and I put it back into on the burner so it can boil completely and then ready to serve. So now it's back on the burner and I'll come back when it's ready. Thank you for staying thus far. Just open it now, it's boiling. So I'll come back when it's ready. Just to show you guys how it's boiling. Woo! So the noodles is ready. It's cooked. Let me can say so time to serve. So I'll come back when I've poured the when I've served the noodles inside the plates. So be right back. Stay where you are. I'll come back very soon. So this is what the noodles looks like. Very sweet, right? This is what the noodles look like. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned one or two things from here. Those people who haven't tried this before, please try to try it. It's really, really adventurous. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you.